in an interior
I just realized the tornado warning was issued for portions of northeast South Dakota.
Or cushions to cover yourself and avoid windows. If you live in a mobile home or
And
outdoors,
when did they issue
seek
this?
the safety of the storm shelter. If no shelter
Like
is
3
available,
minutes ago.
lie flat in a ditch or low spot and cover your head.
And
Avoid culverts and overpasses.
radar indicated that the tornado in PA is confirmed. Public reported it.
For safe shelter.
You just got the end
The
tones.
National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in northeast South Dakota until 7 p.m.
Must be
Central
one for
Daylight
that
Time.
southern part of that
At
storm.
6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
So,
a severe thunderstorm
4
was
minutes
located 7 miles
after
south
that,
of Britton, moving northeast at
tornado
35
goes.
miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and past dollar-size hail. Source trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Royal Lake State Park around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake City around 6:35 p.m.
And how many tornado warnings are out right now?
Steelhead around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
St. College got one out, and Grand Forks has one out, along with Aberdeen.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Marshall, South Dakota.
Probably gonna get
At
time
6
for the
p.m.
tornado
over
warning.
Aberdeen, it was cloudy. The visibility was 10 miles. The temperature was 66 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity was 75%. The wind was northwest at 23 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The barometric pressure was 29.72 inches and rising. Once again, at 6 p.m. over the Aberdeen area, it was cloudy, and the temperatures were 66 degrees.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio WXM 25. The voice of NOAA's National Weather Service for Aberdeen and surrounding communities. WXM 25 broadcasts from South Dakota. The current time is 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a tornado warning for southern Marshall County in northeast South Dakota until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles west of Fort SISSETON State Park, or 9 miles southeast of Britton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
I know
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fort SISSETON State Park around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
It's on now.
Royal Lake State Park and Lake City around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay, Royal Lake State Park, Lake City, you got 10 minutes to see each other. If not earlier than that.
If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Marshall, South Dakota. A tornado warning means that a tornado has been spotted or is indicated on radar. Remain calm, but act quickly to save yourself and family. Go to the basement and get under a workbench or a sturdy piece of furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in an interior hallway, landroom, or closet on the lowest floor. Use blankets, pillows, or cushions to cover yourself and avoid windows. If you live in a mobile home or are outdoors, seek the safety of the storm shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a ditch or low spot and cover your head. Avoid culverts and overpasses. Do not try to outrun a tornado in your vehicle.
Yes, please do not.
Shelter.
With health speed, I'm